Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn phrasal verbs related to household. Wipe down. To clean a surface by wiping it with a cloth or sponge. Wipe down the kitchen counters after cooking. Don't forget to wipe down the bathroom mirror. I'll wipe down the table before dinner. Dust off. To remove dust from something by brushing or wiping it. Dust off the bookshelf, it's getting dusty. I'll dust off the shelves before putting the books back. Sweep up. To clean an area by sweeping or brushing dirt into a pile and removing it. Sweep up the crumbs from the floor. I'll sweep up the kitchen after cooking. Clean up. To tidy or organize a space. Clean up your room before you go out. Don't forget to clean up after cooking. I need to clean up the kitchen after dinner. Clear out. To remove unwanted items and create space. Clear out the old magazines from the living room. Let's clear out the clutter from the garage. Take out. To remove something from a place. Take out the trash, please. Don't forget to take out the garbage tonight. Put away. To put something into its proper place. Put away your toys when you're done playing. Don't leave your clothes out, put them away. Hang up. To put clothes or objects on a hook or hanger. Hang up your coat in the closet. Don't hang up wet towels on the furniture. I'll hang up the picture frame on the wall. Take down. To remove something that has been hung up. Take down the clothes from the hanger to wash them. Don't take down the curtains, I like them there. I'll take down the old calendar from the wall. Plug in. To connect a device to a power supply. Please plug in the phone. The battery is low. I need to plug in the charger to charge my laptop. Switch on. Turn on or power on a device. Please switch on the heater. It's cold in here. I'll switch on the lamp for some light. Turn off. To switch off or power down a device. Turn off the lights when you leave the room. Don't forget to turn off the TV before bed. Remember to turn off the oven after baking. Fill up. To make something become full. Fill up the water pitcher, please. Don't forget to fill up the gas tank before the trip. I'll fill up the bird feeder with seeds. Empty out. To remove all contents from something. Empty out the trash bin, it's full. Let's empty out the old boxes from the attic. Pick up. To clean or tidy by collecting things. Pick up your clothes from the floor. Don't forget to pick up your toys after playing. Sort out. To organize or arrange things systematically. I need to sort out my wardrobe and donate clothes I don't wear. Please sort out the paperwork on the desk from the important documents. Break down. To stop working or functioning properly. The washing machine broke down again. We need to call the repairman. Our car broke down. We're stuck. Fix up. To repair or improve the condition of something. We need to fix up the leaky faucet in the bathroom. Could you fix up the broken chair in the dining room? Stock up. To buy a large quantity of something for future use. We need to stock up on groceries for the week. Don't stock up on too many snacks, they'll go bad. Lock up. To secure a building or room by locking its doors. Lock up the house before leaving. Don't forget to lock up the garage before going to bed. Let in. To allow someone or something to enter a place. Let in some fresh air. Open the window. Don't let in strangers without asking who they are. Set up. To arrange or assemble something for use. Please set up the table for dinner. Let's set up the new television in the living room. Freshen up. To make something clean or pleasant smelling. Freshen up the bathroom with some air freshener. I'll freshen up the guest bedroom before visitors arrive. Clean out. To remove all dirt or unwanted items from something. Clean out the refrigerator before going grocery shopping. We need to clean out the gutters before it starts raining. Air out. To allow fresh air to circulate in a room or space. Air out the bedroom by opening the windows. Don't air out the laundry on a rainy day.